how to increase my iman, especially in these times where we have so many challenges, whether political or social, ideological, economical, whatever. So many challenges. The solution remains the same. It doesn't change. What it took to increase iman in the time of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, in the time of Isa alayhi salam, in the time of Musa and the Anbiya alayhimus salam, is the same thing it takes to increase iman now. Our times are not special. No more special than they were in the time of the Sahaba or the time of Prophet Isa, etc. The formula is a very simple formula. Increase good deeds, increase iman. Decrease bad deeds, increase iman. Simple. You want to increase iman? Do more good. Give up evil. Simple. Reflect. What good can I do today? What good deed or deeds can I do today? And a good deed, of course, is not necessarily a deed which is good for us, because we don't judge things simply by whether it's good for us or not good for us, right? We judge things according to what is pleasing to Allah. Simple criterion. That's what the real good is. Real good is whatever is pleasing to Allah. So we just have to reflect on something we can do today. Maybe even plan for the days to come. To start something that you can do regularly every day, that's wonderful. That's the best kind of good deed. Not one every day you have to sit and think at suhoor, but one which you have thought out, you put it in place, and every day you're there doing it.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.